What if the next revolution is not about machines replacing humans, but humans thinking better, faster, and bolder? That is what AI is all about. AI isn't just for techies, it's for everyone. AI can help us enhance our critical thinking abilities and design solutions for real-world problems. It is not about learning a tool, it's about unlocking your mind. On this channel, I will show you how AI can make life easier, your work smarter, and your ideas unstoppable. One simple tool at a time. This is not another tech channel. This is a movement to make AI simple, human, and powerful for everyone. Students, career aspirants, working professionals, creators, homemakers, farmers, and entrepreneurs. This is your space. Subscribe and be part of the Quantiq.